The 2015 RAV4. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, outside temperature gauge, 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, dual front airbags, telescopic steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, overhead console. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.